Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by confirming compatibility and power. Make sure your iPhone, iPad, or Mac is updated to supported firmware and Bluetooth is on. Once done, charge the case to at least half so pairing won't fail. The left LED shows status. Now open the AirPods Pro 2 case and hold it within a few inches of your unlocked device. You'll see a Connect card appear. This is the system handshake. Tap Connect to initiate. That simple tap starts the secure pairing exchange. You'll now move through setup choices that affect daily use. Select Personalized Spatial Audio if you want head-tracked sound, and choose noise control modes so transparency or ANC match your habits. Make sure automatic device switching is enabled to let calls shift between iPhone and Mac seamlessly via iCloud. Do the ear tip fit test to verify a proper seal. A good fit improves bass and noise cancellation. Adjust silicone tips until the test reports an optimal seal, then recheck controls and gestures. You're finishing by validating functions. Play audio, make a quick call, and confirm the microphone works from both ears. Check the battery widget on your device to confirm charge levels and that the case pairs correctly. Customize the stem controls in Bluetooth settings so squeeze actions match your workflow. If things go wrong, don't panic. Reset the AirPods by holding the case button for about 15 seconds until the light flashes amber then white. Then retry the pairing flow from slide 1.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.